Well, it's been fun. The basement is mostly dried out now. The wood appears to have mostly made it through. There is some staining on the bottom of the boards. I don't know how well that shows up in the camera. We may try to get some pictures and kind of show that up close a little bit. I don't know if that's like a surface thing that would clean off with a little sandpaper, or is it a case where, you know, that dirty, muddy water has just seeped into the pores of the wood and it's like going to have that permanent coloration. But I've decided I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to kind of let it go and see what happens. Now, previously we had asked the question about should I leave the holes or not.
We did have a comment from Brit Girls Go Stateside. I agree with the reclaimed wood look. It's very now, and I personally like seeing an object's history.
Oh. Cool. Was that the only comment we got? Yeah, like I said, and that's exactly what I was going for as well. I want to go with because this is more of a learning how to do things, so there's no need for me to cut and throw away wood trying to make it look perfect when it's more of a test project for me anyway, and I need the most wood I can get because who knows if I'm going to screw something up and need extra wood. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the holes, make it part of the reclaimed look.
Interruption! Update!
I was about to say there was one question.
And one from Sayystella was, could the nail holes not be a cause or lead to the wood rotting sooner? That'd be my concern, I think.
Well, the intention of this box project is going to be an above grade interior project box. So it should be climate controlled its whole life. I don't see any kind of moisture and rot being a problem. Certainly if it were going to be something outdoors, then that would allow moisture to get into the hole and it could kind of build up in there and possibly could cause it to rot faster if it were an outdoor box. Yes. At least I think so. But yeah, what we're using it for, purely inside the house, I don't think that's going to be a problem. But like I said, we have decided I'm going to go ahead and leave all the imperfections in the nail holes in all the wood. The cracks, I'm not going to worry about trying to cut those out. I'm going to just kind of let it go completely as is and let it be a piece from that perspective. I'm still debating on the dimensions of the box, but for now, we'll give you a quick sort of overview of how things have progressed with the cleaning down here since the flood. And hopefully soon, I will be back actually doing real work, because the next part of the project is going to be to get the jointer up on the table and get the sides. You see the sides are still kind of rough in the original shape. So we've got one, technically two, but we've got the flat surface this way, so I can use this against the fence on there, get this side flat. Then we're going to have a nice 90-degree angle on the wood, which will make it good for getting onto these table saws to get everything dimensioned, more natural dimensions, and the chop saw to additionally get things dimensioned up as well. So apparently the wife thinks that I am droning on babbling. I've been at work all day. I am tired. Okay, you remember the last time we were here, it was water everywhere and no power. Look, the lights. Let there be light.
Let there be power.
Power. So yes, everything has now dried out. The dehumidifier worked wonders at getting whatever was left behind. Sump pumps are all fully functional. Everything is doing its job. Still a lot of cleaning left to go. A lot of stuff left. But I did start getting the area over here that was so messy cleaned up. Got all the cardboard out. Definitely getting things better down here. Hopefully we'll get everything organized and cleaned. Oh look, the unicorn. It's still there. The N95 mask.
That's not a N95. That's an N95.
Yes, you're right. Sorry.
You were about to say I was wrong.
I was about to say you were wrong. I'm like, wait a minute. What would the wife do? She would say I was wrong. Oh crap, I'm wrong. But yes, so things are slowly coming back. The water level in the hole in the floor has dwindled back down to where it sort of normally sits. But guess what? Have you seen the 5-day forecast? It's supposed to rain for like the next 5 days. But
as long as it's not freezing rain.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be. And as long as the sump pumps are running, we're good. All right, so there you have it. Oh, and the most important thing is the bench made it through in one piece. We don't care about our furniture and junk back there, but you know, the cheap $100 bench from the Harbor Freight made it through in one piece.
I heard that. I'm what, 4 feet away from you?
So we were talking about the actual water damage. You can see on this piece of walnut that we have that it definitely took some severe staining in there. The oak pieces did not look as bad. So it is a lot milder staining to the wood. I don't know if that will come out. I'm planning on staining this when I'm done. So hopefully, if nothing else, that will help take care of covering it up. But you can see sort of the drip marks and just the staining in general on the board. This one was upside down and the bottom of it as well. So, but yes, we are going to leave all of the nail holes in, leave the staining on, and see what we can turn this into. But yes, hopefully soon, now that the basement is mostly cleaned up, we will get back in here, start getting some jointing and some dimensioning done on these boards, and start turning this into a box. We'll see how the water damage on the ends, if we can kind of make that go away, is it going to play in, and take it from there. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.